Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of derivatives. So as per the problem, if f at t is equal to 10 to the power 3t minus 5 times e to the power 2t square, determine the values of t so that prime of f at t is equal to 0. So we have to find the derivative of this function f at t and then set the derivative equal to 0 and then solve for t. So let's start by finding the derivative of this function. Now this function f at t is made up of two exponential functions. So the first one is 10 to the power 3t minus 5. This one has a base of 10. And then the second one is e to the power 2t square, and this one has a base e. So let's start with the derivative. Now these two exponential functions are being multiplied, so we'll have to use the product rule. So we'll start with the derivative of the first exponential function. So that will be 10, so the term as it is given, times ln of the base, which is 10, times the derivative of the exponent, and the exponent is 3t minus 5. So the derivative is 3 minus 0. So the derivative of 3t is 3 and 5 is a constant, so its derivative is 0, times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. Now the second exponential function has the base e, so the derivative will be the e term itself times the derivative of its exponent, and the exponent is 2t squared. So in the exponent, 2 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is, and the derivative of t squared as per power rule is 2t. Now we can simplify this expression. So in the first part, so 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So we can simplify this expression as 3 times ln 10, then times e to the power 2t squared. So I move the 3 to the front of this term. Plus, now in the second part, we can multiply 2 by 2t, so we get 4t. Times. So this is the expression we get for prime of f at t. Now we have to find the t values at which this prime of f at t is equal to 0. So we'll sub in 0 on the left side. Now in this expression, we can do common factoring. So that will make it easy to solve this equation. So we can factor out 10 to the power 3t minus 5 and e to the power 2t squared from both terms. So we are left with, so 3 ln 10 is left over in the first term plus 4t. Now we can solve this equation by analyzing the cases. So the first case is now we cannot have any t value that will make this term equal to 0 because in this term t is in the exponent. So that means this case gives us no solution. Now we can analyze the second case. Now there is no t term or t value that will make this term equal to 0. So this case also gives us no solution. So now we can analyze the third case. We can isolate t in this equation by subtracting 3 ln 10 from both sides. So 3 ln 10 on the left side get cancelled out and we get now we can isolate t by dividing both sides by 4. So the 4 on the left side get cancelled out and we are left with negative 3 ln 10 over 4. So this is the value of t at which the prime of f at t is equal to 0. So there is only one value of t that makes it possible. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.